Hello friends, this is my first video on GK. This is very helpful for your government job preparations like XSC, UPSC or engineering jobs. So I'm going to start from the first question, and the first question is: Ajanta painting is an indication of, is actually the indication of Buddhism. The second question: architect who designed Taj Mahal? It was designed by Ustad Isa. Third question: Lodi dynasty founded by Bahlul Lodi. The fourth one: Mughal paintings flourished during the King Jahangir. Okay. The fifth question: Sadi stopped by William Bendick. Sixth question: leader of Bardoli Satyagraha. It was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. These are very important questions for your preparation for SSC CGL or SSC MTS, SSC CHSL examination. I'm going to continue. The seventh question: sleeping sickness is caused due to protozoa. Vitamin which helps in the formation of collagen is actually vitamin C. Vitamin C, which is also known as ascorbic acid. Okay. Ninth question: compound used in anti-malarial drug. It is known as chloroquine. Nowadays, it's also widely used in the with the treatment of coronavirus. Okay, chloroquine. Number 10: blood group which is known as universal donor is known as O negative, and the blood group which is known as universal recipient is AB positive. Return the question: which is known as master gland? The gland which is known as master gland is pituitary gland. Number 12: Weidel test is used to determine typhoid. Okay. Number 13: night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Largest cell exist: ostrich egg. 15th question: article related to impeachment of president. The impeachment of president, the article which is related is 61. The article related to the president of India is 54 also. The impeachment of president is 61. Okay. Blue revolution is related with, we all know the green revolution. Green revolution is regarding agriculture. What do you mean by blue revolution? Blue revolution is fish production. It is related with the fish production. Number 70: article for Uniform Civil Code. 44: the state which introduced Uniform Civil Code for the first time in India is Goa. Okay. 18: who introduced HDI, Human Development Index? HDI is also known as, full form is Human Development Index. It is introduced by Amartya Sen. Okay, who is the winner of Nobel Prize for economics for the first time in India. Okay. Largest freshwater lake in India. It is known as Vular Lake. It is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. 20: National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated in every year on February 28. So actually the birthday of the famous physics scientist C.V. Raman. He has got the first Nobel Prize, the category physics from India. 21st question. Yoga Day. Yoga Day celebrated in every year on June 21st. And June 21st has it's a special day which is having maximum day duration. Okay, June 21st. 22. National Youth Day. National Youth Day is the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. Is celebrated in every year on January 12. Vitamin B7 is also known as biotin. Biotin is widely used for hair growth nowadays. Okay. 24. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Okay. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. 25th question. Inventor of cement. Who invents cement? Joseph Aspedy. 26. RB established in 1935 April 1st. 27. Winner of men's singles Australian Open 2020 Novak Djokovic. 28. Women's singles Australia Open 2020 Sofia Kenin, won by Sofia Kenin. 29. What is the name given by scientists to coronavirus before Wuhan city? SARS-CoV-2. Feature ad in WhatsApp to make aware of coronavirus. WhatsApp chatbot. 31st. Corona word originated from which language? It's actually originated from Latin. Okay. 32. Khelo India Youth Games 2020 venue Assam Guwahati. 33. Okay, 32. So that was a mistake. Okay, 33th question. ICC OD Cricketer of the Year 2020. Rohit Sharma named ICC OD Cricketer of the Year. Okay. ICC Cricketer of the Year 2020 was Ben Stokes. It is also known as ICC Cricketer of the Year award given to the most valuable player of the year. Okay, Ben Stokes. Winner of ICC Spirit of the Cricketer Award 2020 was Virat Kohli. Winner of FIFA Award 2019 Lionel Messi. 36th question. Highest run scorer in ICC 2019 Rohit Sharma. ICC World Cup 2020 venue. Okay, it was Australia. ICC World Cup Men's 2023 venue India. After 2011, India was also hosting ICC Men's World Cup in 2023. Okay. Thirty-ninth question. Hopman Cup related with lawn tennis. 40th question. Thomas Cup is related with badminton. 41st question. Who hold the record of winning Hopman Cup most times? Roger Federer. He also hold the record of winning Wimbledon for the most times. Roger Federer, famous Swiss player, holding the record of most Hopman Cup and also the Wimbledon Cup. And these are the 41 questions included in my first video. If you like my video, please subscribe GK for Success channel. It is created for SSC, CGL, NLC and all public sector examinations. Okay, if you like my video,